Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited because I am going to take you along with me as I finally plant up perennial flowers in our outdoor flower pots. I feel like it's taken forever to finally be able to plant up my flower pots, and I'm so excited. But before we get into it, I really want to show you this really cool tool that Proven Winners has on their website to help you pick out the perfect flowers for the perfect spot in your yard. Okay, so you'll want to go to the Proven Winners website, and I'll leave that link below. You'll click on the gardening ideas, and then you'll click on the container gardening recipe search, and then you can fill in any one of these features. So you can select by season, maybe you want to do a fall plant or even pot size that you have, or if you have a specific plant that you like the best, you can put it in the plant name section. Or if you don't have any idea what you want to do, you can just scroll right to the bottom and it will take you to every single recipe that they have on this website. And I absolutely love it. So through today's video, I'm going to show you what containers I chose. And as an example, the keyword, or I already knew what this recipe was, and it's Ella Mae. And then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click the recipe that I like. And then this is really neat. This is really where it gets really interesting because it's going to tell you all the information for this container. And then it tells you exactly what plants are in this container and how many you should purchase. And then if you scroll down, they'll tell you exactly how to make it, how to place it in your planter. All right guys, what did you think about that tool? I think it was so amazing. I actually used it this year for the first time to do 3 separate arrangements in some of my pots. And you're gonna see that here on this video. So let's go. All right guys, well that wraps it up for today's video. Thanks for coming along with me. I know that I enjoyed it. It felt so good to get this done. And these plants are already doing so amazing in my yard, and it's only been a few days. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And also, if you think this video could be helpful for someone else, feel free to share. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone. Where's my pool boy? Every year you do the pool boy pose. I should do like a slideshow of all your pool boy poses. Although you're not cleaning the pool right now. You're cleaning up my mess.
You gotta flaunt it.
Oh, I got a lot to flaunt. More than enough. Thanks, babe.
I'm just gonna let this fall into the water, electrocute me.
Yeah. It's a freaking outdoor electrical cord. You're fine. There, I saved your life.
Thank you. Is that so hard to ask every once in a while?
To save your life?
Yeah.
That's a huge freaking feat.
There. Man bun is getting really good. It's almost there.
Oh my god, I can't wait. You're gonna totally like look amazing in a man bun. I love it.
I'll try.
I don't even think I've ever seen a gray man bun. I love the gray.
Great.
All right guys, what'd you think about that tool? I think it's pretty cool. Poppy, I can't do this.
Did you get that?
It's what you think about that. I'm getting cotton mouth again. All right, love you, bye.
Stop smoking.
You wish.